Alexander Bublik needed to be held back after clashing with Corentin. Alexander Bublik was involved in a furious post-match exchange with Corentin Moutet after beating him at the Arizona Tennis Classic. The 27-year-old came from behind to secure a 2-6, 7-6, 7-5 victory and reach the semifinals where he will face Nuno Borges. The winner of that match will meet either João Fonseca or Kei Nishikori in Sunday's final. Tensions were running high in the closing stages of Bublik's victory over Moutet, with things boiling over in the immediate aftermath. The two players shared a tense handshake at the net before engaging in a war of words in front of the umpire, who was forced to step in and separate the pair. Although it was unclear what was said, Bublik was seemingly upset with Moutet and continued to remonstrate with his opponent. He was held back by the umpire and threw his arms up in frustration before eventually walking away and leaving the court. Earlier in the match, some choice words were exchanged between the two players, with the result on a knife edge in the final set. Bublik was preparing to serve, but Moutet did not want play to be restarted, telling his rival, "I'm not ready." Bublik was heard replying, "I don't give a sa." Both players have been known to throw tantrums during matches, with Bublik having a furious outburst at the China Open last year. During his defeat to Flavio Cobolli, he shocked the fans in attendance by losing his temper and destroying his equipment, leaving pieces of smashed rackets strewn across the court. Moutet, meanwhile, was involved in a severe verbal confrontation with Adrian Andreev at a challenger event in France. They almost came to blows, squaring up to each other at the net before the umpire raced off his chair to defuse the situation. Both players were later fined by the ATP. Bublik was ranked in the world's top 20 as recently as last summer, but has experienced a sharp decline in form over the last few months. He has lost 8 of his 10 matches in 2025, having been knocked out of Indian Wells in the first round before traveling to Arizona.